So this euro pound analysis for Thursday, 14th of March. Now let's just have a look on prices, when price may likely go. So euro on the euro pound. Previously we've had price come pretty close towards that 84.70. From there we've seen a higher low posted, strong bullish rally. Couldn't quite get towards that 86.63. Instead we do seem to have encountered some resistance slightly below that 86.63. We've had a pullback below that 86.01. Trade through that 85.13. Again came pretty close within a couple of pips of that 84.70 before we did see bullish buy side volatility to return to the market. Pull back from there towards 85.50. 85.50? No, towards 85. And at present we've seen a move towards that 85.50 here. That's currently being rejected on the euro against the pound. So if we do continue to hold this 85.13, looking for continuation towards that 86.01. Now we do have the 400 period moving average somewhat descending here. We've seen a series of lower highs here on the euro against the pound. So if we do break beyond the 86.01, we do have to be aware of the fact that we could see sell side momentum come into the market in alignment with the current trend of rallies being sold here on the euro against the pound. So we do have to be aware of the fact that we could see sell side momentum come into the market around 86.01. But if we do break from there with strong continuation, looking for price to retest our one of our most significant highs more recently in around that 86.63 here on the euro against the pound. If, however, we do see a retest and failure in around that 85.13, do break from there. We're looking for a true test of that 84.70, successful break from which we would then looking to target that 84.02 here to the downside on the euro against the pound. And if we do see sharp volatility beyond that, possibly even 83.50 may come into focus. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily charts. Here price are developing. So on this daily chart, we get the scaling correct. And as we can see, we've gone into this period of, we've been pretty range bound. We've had quite a bit of volatility the past couple of days, as we can see by the high to low, open to close range of these daily candles. But somewhat degree of indecision. We've seen sell side momentum. We've seen bullish buy side volatility return to the market. So again, we'll see how prices continue to react around that 84.70, whether this will form a significant low for a counter trend move, or if it will stay currently enclosed within the current trend, which is a series of lower highs. So we do have highs, lower highs, lower highs still. So from a daily chart perspective, we are seeing continued weakness here of the euro against the pound. So we'll see if the current theme persists, or if we will find a significant bottom here in around that 84.70. With that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro pound analysis. Thanks for watching.